Santa Margherita, the chapel inside a volcano. Being a traveler, you must have visited some strange places. The places which are so flabbergasting that you cannot believe in its existence at all. Well, we are gonna give you a tour of such a strange place in this video. This video is about a small chapel inside an extinct volcano of Santa Margarida, Spain. So, buckle up yourself. Okay, let's travel. In northern Spain, across 90 kilometers from the Spanish city of Barcelona, there is an extinct volcano named Santa Margarida. This volcano is located in Garrotxa, Catalonia, Spain. This volcano is a part of dozens of extinct volcanoes which is located in La Garrotxa Volcanic Zone National Park. But this specific green and densely vegetated extinct volcano is not the only thing that fascinates the observer, but a chapel or hermitage inside it. A small chapel is located inside the crater of this extinct volcano, which is an object of interest for many tourists. In the native Spanish language, this chapel is called Santa Margarida de la Co. Santa Margarida, the volcano, where this chapel is located, has been silent since 11,000 years. This is to say, it is not erupting any lava for that long. But still, this chapel is not that old as this extinct volcano. This chapel of Roman Christianity origin is one of the interesting medieval objects of art. The small chapel was constructed in 1865, which was the reconstruction of the chapel that got demolished during a disastrous earthquake in 1428 in Catalonia. This renovation of the originally existing small-sized chapel happened to give it a more welcoming look. The mountain covering this volcano is 2 kilometers long, and this volcano is covered with green vegetation, just like a dense jungle or forest. The elevation of Santa Margarida from sea level is about 628 meters. The circular platform or crater inside this cooled-down volcano can be explained by the geological fact that this volcano got high energy or extremely explosive eruptions that gave rise to the circular crater, which eventually cooled down and where the chapel was constructed. So, if you ever plan on visiting this place, you have to hike the slopes of the mountain up to reach the chapel, as there is no trail for the automobiles to reach there. This hike includes 116 meters of difficult ascent or slope at a point where the mountain is very steep. Having a chapel inside a volcano is a strange and exciting thing, but this chapel is usually empty. This chapel is crowded only once in a year, when some Christians gather here to celebrate a festival. Although this chapel is not very colossal like the ancient architectures like the Great Pyramids of Giza, Stonehenge or Easter Islands, etc., but it is undoubtedly a real striking sight. So, if you like this video about Santa Margarita, the chapel inside a volcano, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more. Thanks for watching.